justify one man to overthrow. In the name of love, one more in the name of love. In the name of love, one more in the name of love. One man caught on a barbed wire fence. One man, he resists. One man washed up on an empty beach. One man betrayed with a kiss. The name of love, one more in the name of love. The name of love, one more in the name of love. The shot rings out in the Memphis sky. 3 at last, they took your life. They could not take your pride. In the name of love, one more in the name of love. In the name of love, one more in the name of love. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for queuing in the rain and spending your hard-earned cash. You've given us a great life. This is our love. In the name of love, one more in the name of love. In the name of love, one more in the name of love. In the name of love, mi Thank you, good night.
It grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. There's plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Amanda's Tiffany twisted, she got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, pink champagne on ice. And she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. In their master's chambers, we gathered for the feast. Stab it with their stealing knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the nightman, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. Thank you.
Thank you. For the record, we never broke up. We just took a 14-year vacation.
Thank you.
another tequila sunrise, staring slowly across the sky. They said goodbye. He was just a hired hand, working on a dreamy plan to try. Days go by. Every night when the sun goes down, just another lonely boy in town, and she's out running round. She wasn't just another woman, and I couldn't keep from coming on. It's been so long. Oh, and it's a hollow feeling when it comes down to deep.